What is California's failure to yield rule when entering a highway from a private road or driveway? Option A. Traffic on the highway must yield to you. Option B. You must yield to all pedestrians and vehicles on the highway before entering. Option C. You have right of way if you are turning right. Option D. Yield only to emergency vehicles. The correct answer is B. You must yield to all pedestrians and vehicles on the highway before entering. When entering a highway from a driveway, alley, or private road, you must yield to all pedestrians on the sidewalk and all traffic on the highway. You have no right of way until traffic is clear. In California, what does a slow sign held by a road worker mean? Option A. Stop completely. Option B. Reduce speed and proceed slowly with caution through the work zone. Option C. Speed limit is 15 miles per hour. Option D. Stop until the sign is lowered. The correct answer is B. Reduce speed and proceed slowly with caution through the work zone. A slow sign or paddle held by a flagger tells you to reduce your speed and proceed carefully through the work zone. Flaggers direct traffic in construction areas. Obey all flagger directions as you would a traffic signal. Look at the sign on screen. What does this sign mean? Option A. Merge zone ahead. Option B. Unusual hazard or road condition, reduce speed and stay alert. Option C. Truck weight scale ahead. Option D. Bicycle path crosses road. The correct answer is B. Unusual hazard or road condition, reduce speed and stay alert. Yellow diamond signs warn of various hazards. Each symbol tells you what to prepare for. Slow down, be alert, and be ready to react to unexpected conditions when you see these signs. What is the California rule for driving on a freeway with minimum speed limits? Option A. Drive at any comfortable speed. Option B. Never drive so slowly that you block or impede the flow of traffic. You can be cited for driving too slowly. Option C. Minimum 45 miles per hour on all California freeways. Option D. Minimum speed only applies in the left lane. The correct answer is B. Never drive so slowly that you block or impede the flow of traffic. You can be cited for driving too slowly. California law prohibits driving so slowly as to impede traffic flow at a reasonable speed. You can be cited for driving too slowly if it creates a hazard. Slow vehicles must use the right lane and use turnouts. Look at the sign on screen. What does this sign mean? Option A. Turn left only. Option B. Left turns not permitted here. Option C. One-way road ahead. Option D. Divided highway begins. The correct answer is B. Left turns not permitted here. A no left turn sign prohibits turning left at that intersection. Alternative routes must be used. These signs are common where left turns create dangerous visibility problems or heavy traffic conflicts. In California, What is the rule about turning across a bicycle lane to enter a driveway? Option A. Never cross a bicycle lane. Option B. Enter the bike lane within 200 feet of the driveway, then turn across it when cyclists are clear. Option C. Drive in the bike lane to the driveway. Option D. Signal and turn directly without entering the bike lane. The correct answer is B. Enter the bike lane within 200 feet of the driveway, then turn across it when cyclists are clear. When turning right across a bicycle lane, California requires you to merge into the bike lane within 200 feet of your turn, check for cyclists, then complete the turn when safe. Never cut across the lane from the travel lane. Look at the sign on screen. What does this sign mean? Option A. Youth recreation area. Option B. School zone children may be present, reduce speed. Option C. Military base ahead. Option D. No vehicles over 3 tons. The correct answer is B. School zone children may be present, reduce speed. School zone signs require reduced speed and heightened alertness when children are present. California's 25 miles per hour school zone limit applies during school hours. Be especially alert for children darting into the street. In California, what is the prima facie speed law? Option A. Speed limits are merely suggestions. Option B. Certain speed limits are established by law without requiring posted signs such as 25 miles per hour in residential areas. Option C. All speed limits must be individually posted. Option D. Prima facie means the limit applies only to commercial vehicles. The correct answer is B. Certain speed limits are established by law without requiring posted signs such as 25 miles per hour in residential areas. California's prima facie speed limits are default speed limits that apply automatically without specific posting: 25 miles per hour in business and residential districts, 15 miles per hour in alleys, near railroads, and in blind intersections. What does a cattle crossing or livestock sign on a rural California road warn of? Option A. Dairy farm ahead. Option B. Animals may be crossing the road, slow down and be prepared to stop. Option C. Weight limit for large vehicles. Option D. Road narrows near farm entrance. The correct answer is B. Animals may be crossing the road, slow down and be prepared to stop. Livestock crossing signs warn that cattle, horses, or other animals may be crossing the road. Slow down significantly. Animals are unpredictable and difficult to see on rural roads, especially at dawn and dusk. In California, when can you drive in the HOV, carpool, lane? Option A. Anytime the lane is empty. Option B. Only when carrying the required minimum number of occupants or qualifying vehicle type. Option C. During off-peak hours only. Option D. Only if your vehicle has a clean air sticker. The correct answer is B. Only when carrying the required minimum number of occupants or qualifying vehicle type. California HOV lanes require the minimum occupancy shown on signs, usually 2+. Clean air vehicles with a current DMV sticker may also use HOV lanes regardless of occupancy. Motorcycles are generally permitted solo. Look at the sign on screen. What does this sign mean? Option A. Complete stop always required. Option B. Yield right of way slow and stop only if necessary. Option C. Merge onto highway. Option D. Warning traffic slowing ahead. The correct answer is B. Yield right of way slow and stop only if necessary. A yield sign means give the right of way to traffic in the lane you are merging with or crossing. Stop only if it is necessary to let traffic pass. Yield signs are common at roundabouts and freeway entrance ramps. In California, what is the penalty for driving 1 to 15 miles per hour over the speed limit on a highway? Option A. $50 fine. Option B. A base fine of $35 plus court costs total often exceeds $200. Option C. Only a verbal warning. Option D. 5 license points. The correct answer is B. A base fine of $35 plus court costs total often exceeds $200. California speeding fines start at a base rate but multiply significantly with court assessments. A $35 base fine for 1 to 15 miles per hour over becomes roughly $200 plus when all fees and surcharges are added. Points also apply. What is the correct position for your hands on the steering wheel? Option A. 12 and 6 o'clock for maximum control. Option B. 9 and 3 o'clock positions, or 8 and 4 for airbag safety. Option C. 10 and 2 o'clock the traditional position. Option D. Any comfortable grip. The correct answer is B. 9 and 3 o'clock positions, or 8 and 4 for airbag safety. Modern driving safety recommends the 9 and 3 o'clock, or 8 and 4 o'clock, hand positions. With airbags, the old 10 and 2 position puts your arms in the airbag's path during deployment, which can cause injury. Look at the sign on screen. What does this sign mean? Option A. Road closed beyond the tracks. Option B. Railroad crossing ahead, be prepared to stop. Option C. Weight limit 10 tons. Option D. Warning for large vehicles only. The correct answer is B. Railroad crossing ahead, be prepared to stop. The round yellow railroad advance warning sign is exclusive to railroad crossings. Slow down and prepare to stop. In California, Caltrain and freight railroads use many grade crossings, especially in the Bay Area and Central Valley. What is road rage and the best response to an aggressive driver? Option A. A minor inconvenience, ignore it. Option B. Dangerous aggressive driving behavior, do not make eye contact, avoid confrontation, move away, and call 911 if threatened. Option C. Match their energy to assert your right of way. Option D. Stop and discuss the situation calmly. The correct answer is B. Dangerous aggressive driving behavior. Do not make eye contact, avoid confrontation, move away, and call 911 if threatened. Road rage is aggressive driving triggered by traffic frustration. Never engage, challenge, or make eye contact with an aggressive driver. Stay calm, create distance, change lanes if possible, and call 911 if threatened. In California, what does a turnout sign on a mountain road require? Option A. Pull over to check your brakes. Option B. If you have 5 or more vehicles behind you, you must use the turnout to allow faster traffic to pass. Option C. Park here for rest. Option D. Merge into a single lane. The correct answer is B. If you have 5 or more vehicles behind you, you must use the turnout to allow faster traffic to pass. California law requires slow-moving vehicles to use turnouts if 5 or more vehicles are behind them. On mountain roads, refusing to use a turnout when one is available is a violation and creates dangerous tailgating situations. Look at the sign on screen. What does this sign mean? Option A. Road closed for maintenance. Option B. Do not enter, traffic comes toward you on this road. Option C. Hazmat route restriction. Option D. No large vehicles. The correct answer is B. Do not enter, traffic comes toward you on this road. Do not enter signs are placed to prevent wrong-way entry into one-way streets, freeway off-ramps, and restricted areas. Entering creates immediate head-on collision risk. Stop, back up when safe, and find the correct route. What is the California rule about driving while wearing earbuds or headphones? Option A. Both ears covered is legal. Option B. You may not wear a headset or earbuds covering both ears while driving, one ear may be used. Option C. Earbuds are completely prohibited. Option D. Only Bluetooth earbuds are legal. The correct answer is B. You may not wear a headset or earbuds covering both ears while driving, one ear may be used. California prohibits wearing any headset or earplug that covers both ears while driving. You may use a single earbud in one ear. This law ensures you can hear emergency sirens, horns, and other important sounds. What does a no parking, street cleaning sign typically indicate? Option A. Street cleaning has been completed. Option B. Parking is prohibited on the posted days and times to allow street sweepers to clean the curb lane. Option C. No cleaning products on street. Option D. Vehicles must be washed before parking. The correct answer is B. Parking is prohibited on the posted days and times to allow street sweepers to clean the curb lane. Street cleaning signs specify when parking is prohibited to allow mechanical sweepers to clean the gutter lane. Parking during those times results in a citation and possible towing. Check both signs on that block. In California, When may you drive in the center two-way left turn lane? Option A. Anytime when making left turns or as a passing lane. Option B. Only to prepare for a left turn, enter no more than 200 feet before the turn or to exit a driveway. Option C. Drive in at any time traffic is backed up in the main lane. Option D. Use it as an acceleration lane when entering traffic. The correct answer is B. Only to prepare for a left turn, enter no more than 200 feet before the turn or to exit a driveway. The center two-way left turn lane is shared by both directions for left turns only. You may drive in it for no more than 200 feet while preparing to turn. Never use it as a through travel lane or for passing. Look at the sign on screen. What does this sign mean? Option A. Road under repair, reduced lanes. Option B. Sharp curve ahead, reduce speed before the curve begins. Option C. One lane bridge ahead. Option D. Wildlife crossing on curve. The correct answer is B. Sharp curve ahead, reduce speed before the curve begins. A yellow diamond curve warning indicates a significant curve ahead. Reduce speed before the curve. In California, coastal highways like CA1, Pacific Coast Highway, have many such warning signs on steep, winding stretches. In California, what is the law regarding bicycle helmets? Option A. Helmets are optional for all cyclists. Option B. Riders under 18 must wear a bicycle helmet while on public roads, bike paths, and trails. Option C. All cyclists must wear helmets regardless of age. Option D. Helmets required only on roads over 35 miles per hour. The correct answer is B. Riders under 18 must wear a bicycle helmet while on public roads, bike paths, and trails. California law requires all cyclists under 18 to wear a properly fitted bicycle helmet when riding on public roads, bike paths, or trails. Adult cyclists are not legally required to wear helmets but are strongly encouraged to do so. What does a reduced speed ahead sign mean? Option A. Begin reducing speed at the sign, the lower limit applies immediately. Option B. A lower speed limit begins ahead, reduce speed before reaching it. Option C. Reduce speed only if traffic is heavy. Option D. Advisory speed only, not legally binding. The correct answer is B. A lower speed limit begins ahead, reduce speed before reaching it. A reduced speed ahead sign warns that a lower speed limit is coming. Begin slowing down before you reach the new limit sign. Never wait until you pass the sign to begin reducing speed. What should you do when merging onto a California freeway during heavy traffic? Option A. Stop at the end of the on-ramp and wait for a huge gap. Option B. Use the full acceleration lane to match freeway speed, signal, check mirrors, look over your shoulder, and merge smoothly when there is space. Option C. Flash lights to request space from freeway traffic. Option D. Merge at any speed, drivers on the freeway must yield to you. The correct answer is B. Use the full acceleration lane to match freeway speed, signal, check mirrors, look over your shoulder, and merge smoothly when there is space. When merging onto a California freeway in heavy traffic, accelerate to match traffic speed in the on-ramp, signal early, check mirrors and the blind spot, and merge when a gap appears. Never stop unless traffic is completely stopped. Look at the sign on screen. What does this sign mean? Option A. Pedestrian zone begins. Option B. No passing zone, do not overtake vehicles ahead. Option C. Bicycle lane begins. Option D. Speed reduction zone. The correct answer is B. No passing zone, do not overtake vehicles ahead. The pennant sign on the left side of the road begins a no passing zone. This sign is frequently used on California's state routes and two-lane mountain roads where passing is dangerous due to limited visibility. What is California's law on leaving a child unattended in a vehicle? Option A. Legal if the window is cracked. Option B. Illegal to leave a child 6 or under alone in a motor vehicle with no person 12 plus present. Option C. Legal for up to 10 minutes. Option D. Legal if the engine is off. The correct answer is B. Illegal to leave a child 6 or under alone in a motor vehicle with no person 12 plus present. California law prohibits leaving a child 6 years old or younger unattended in a motor vehicle unless a person who is at least 12 years old is also present. Vehicle temperatures can reach deadly levels within minutes. In California, what does a no outlet sign mean? Option A. Road continues but narrows. Option B. The road has no through connection, you must return the same way you came. Option C. Road closed temporarily. Option D. No commercial traffic allowed. The correct answer is B. The road has no through connection, you must return the same way you came. A no outlet sign means the road system you are entering has no connection to another road. You must exit the same way you entered. Different from a single dead-end street. When should you use your vehicle's defroster? Option A. Only in winter. Option B. Anytime your windshield is fogged or frosted, you must maintain a clear view through all windows. Option C. Only the front defroster is required by law. Option D. Defrosters are optional equipment. The correct answer is B. Anytime your windshield is fogged or frosted, you must maintain a clear view through all windows. California law requires a clear view through all windows. Use your defroster whenever condensation or frost reduces visibility. A fogged or iced windshield significantly increases crash risk. Never drive until visibility is fully restored. What does a signal ahead warning sign tell you? Option A. A police officer is directing traffic. Option B. A traffic signal is ahead, be prepared to stop. Option C. Railroad signal ahead. Option D. Caution signal may be out of order. The correct answer is B. A traffic signal is ahead, be prepared to stop. A signal ahead sign warns that a traffic signal is approaching, especially where it may be unexpected on a rural road, around a curve, or before a hill. Reduce speed and be prepared to stop. In California, when is it illegal to make a U-turn? Option A. Never. U-turns are always legal. Option B. At controlled intersections where a sign prohibits it, on divided highways, at railroad crossings, and where you cannot see clearly 200 feet in each direction. Option C. Only near schools. Option D. Only on highways over 45 miles per hour. The correct answer is B. At controlled intersections where a sign prohibits it, on divided highways, at railroad crossings, and where you cannot see clearly 200 feet in each direction. California prohibits U-turns, where signs say no U-turn, on divided highways at places not designated for it, near railroad crossings, in business districts, except at corners or openings, and wherever you cannot see clearly 200 feet in each direction. Look at the sign on screen. What does this sign mean? Option A. No passing here. Option B. No U-turns permitted at this point. Option C. No vehicles over 2 axles. Option D. Keep right of divider. The correct answer is B. No U-turns permitted at this point. A no U-turn sign prohibits reversing direction by making a U-turn. Always look for this sign before attempting a U-turn. In California cities and residential areas, these signs are frequently posted. What is the correct tire pressure management for fuel efficiency and safety in California? Option A. Always inflate to the maximum on the tire side wall. Option B. Maintain the tire pressure listed in the vehicle's owner manual or on the door jamb sticker. Option C. Check only when a warning light comes on. Option D. Inflate to the same pressure in all 4 tires regardless of the vehicle spec. The correct answer is B. Maintain the tire pressure listed in the vehicle's owner manual or on the door jamb sticker. Follow the vehicle manufacturer's recommended tire pressure, not the maximum on the tire itself. Correct tire pressure improves fuel efficiency, tread wear, and handling. Check pressure monthly when tires are cold. What does a white sign with speed limit 65 mean on a California highway? Option A. Minimum 65 miles per hour. Option B. Maximum 65 miles per hour. Basic speed law still applies. Option C. Advisory 65 miles per hour for clear conditions. Option D. Trucks only, 65 miles per hour. The correct answer is B. Maximum 65 miles per hour. Basic speed law still applies. A white speed limit 65 sign sets the maximum legal speed. Even at 65 miles per hour, California's basic speed law requires you to reduce speed if conditions are unsafe. Rain, fog, traffic, or curves require slower speeds. In California, what is the purpose of the basic speed law? Option A. To establish minimum speeds. Option B. To require that you never drive faster than is safe for current conditions regardless of the posted limit. Option C. To allow driving above the posted limit when safe. Option D. To cap all speeds at 65 miles per hour. The correct answer is B. To require that you never drive faster than is safe for current conditions regardless of the posted limit. California's basic speed law means you must never drive faster than what is safe for present conditions. Even if the limit is 65 miles per hour, rain, fog, construction, or heavy traffic may require a much lower speed. You can be cited for unsafe speed even below the posted limit. What does a green light mean at an intersection with a bicycle lane? Option A. Cyclists must wait, only cars may proceed. Option B. All traffic including cyclists may proceed on green, subject to yielding rules. Option C. Cyclists have priority. Option D. Cyclists must use the pedestrian signal instead. The correct answer is B. All traffic including cyclists may proceed on green, subject to yielding rules. At a signalized intersection, cyclists in the bike lane must obey the same traffic signals as motor vehicles. A green light means all traffic may proceed. Drivers must yield to cyclists in the bike lane before turning across it. In California, what does a broken white line between lanes mean? Option A. Lane changes are prohibited. Option B. Lane changes are permitted, use caution and signal. Option C. This is a bicycle lane boundary. Option D. Merging zone only. The correct answer is B. Lane changes are permitted, use caution and signal. Broken white lines between lanes indicate that lane changes are permitted. Always signal, check mirrors, and check your blind spot before changing lanes. Change lanes smoothly and only when safe. Look at the sign on screen. What does this sign mean? Option A. No trucks allowed. Option B. Wrong way, you are driving in the wrong direction, stop and turn around. Option C. Road narrows to one lane. Option D. Speed limit zone ends. The correct answer is B. Wrong way, you are driving in the wrong direction, stop and turn around. Wrong way signs in California are commonly found at freeway exits and one-way streets. If you see this sign, stop immediately. Back up carefully when safe or turn around at the first opportunity to avoid a head-on collision. In California, what is the law about using your horn? Option A. Use it freely to communicate with other drivers. Option B. Use it only when reasonably necessary for safe operation, not for anger or impatience. Option C. Prohibited in residential areas after 10 p.m. Option D. Required when passing another vehicle. The correct answer is B. Use it only when reasonably necessary for safe operation, not for anger or impatience. In California, your horn must be used only when it is reasonably necessary for the safe operation of your vehicle. Using it to express frustration, road rage, or just to get attention is both dangerous and potentially a misdemeanor. Look at the sign on screen. What does this sign mean? Option A. Lane closed, merge right. Option B. All traffic travels in one direction on this road. Option C. Restricted access road. Option D. Divided highway ahead. The correct answer is B. All traffic travels in one direction on this road. One-way signs indicate traffic flows in a single direction. In California cities, downtown grids often have alternating one-way streets. Always check for this sign when entering an unfamiliar road. What is the minimum age for an unsupervised motorcycle rider in California? Option A. 16 with any license. Option B. 16 with a motorcycle license, M1 or M2. Option C. 18 for all motorcyclists. Option D. 21 for freeway motorcycles. The correct answer is B. 16 with a motorcycle license, M1 or M2. In California, you can ride a motorcycle independently at 16 if you hold an M1 or M2 motorcycle license. You must pass a written test, skills test, and complete the California Motorcyclist Safety Program if under 21. What does a road work next 5 miles sign indicate? Option A. Road is closed for 5 miles. Option B. Active construction zone ahead for the next 5 miles, reduce speed, obey signs, expect delays. Option C. Only trucks must reduce speed. Option D. Road will be smooth after 5 miles. The correct answer is B. Active construction zone ahead for the next 5 miles, reduce speed, obey signs, expect delays. Road work signs tell you the extent of the construction zone. Slow down and obey all temporary signs. In California, fines are doubled in active construction zones with workers present. Be alert for changing lane patterns. In California, what does a broken yellow center line mean? Option A. No passing from either direction. Option B. Passing is permitted from both directions when safe. Option C. One-way road. Option D. Shared center turn lane. The correct answer is B. Passing is permitted from both directions when safe. A broken yellow center line means passing is allowed from both directions when visibility is adequate and it is safe. Always ensure you have enough distance and time to complete the pass before attempting. What should you do at an uncontrolled intersection? No signs or signals. Option A. Speed through no controls means no rules. Option B. Slow down, yield to any vehicle already in the intersection, and yield to the vehicle on your right if arriving at the same time. Option C. The larger vehicle always has right of way. Option D. The vehicle going straight always has priority. The correct answer is B. Slow down, yield to any vehicle already in the intersection, and yield to the vehicle on your right if arriving at the same time. At an uncontrolled intersection, slow down and check all directions. If another vehicle is already in the intersection, yield. If you arrive simultaneously with another vehicle, yield to the vehicle on your right. What does a white rectangular sign with a bicycle symbol in a lane mean? Option A. No bicycles in this lane. Option B. A shared lane marking, SHARO, bicycles may use the full lane, drivers must give 3 feet clearance. Option C. Bicycle parking only. Option D. Bicycle crossing 300 feet. The correct answer is B. A shared lane marking, SHARO, bicycles may use the full lane, drivers must give 3 feet clearance. A shared lane marking, SHARO, a bicycle with chevron arrows shows that the lane is shared between cyclists and motor vehicles. Cyclists may use the full lane. Drivers must provide at least 3 feet when passing. In California, what happens if you are involved in a collision with property damage over $1,000? Option A. No reporting required unless injuries occurred. Option B. You must report the accident to the DMV within 10 days using the State Route 1 form. Option C. Call the police only. Option D. Report only if the other driver leaves the scene. The correct answer is B. You must report the accident to the DMV within 10 days using the State Route 1 form. In California, any traffic accident resulting in death, injury, or property damage over $1,000 must be reported to the DMV within 10 days using the State Route 1 form. Failure to report can result in license suspension. What does a fallen rocks warning sign indicate? Option A. Rock climbing area nearby. Option B. Loose rocks or debris may be on the road ahead, slow down and watch for rocks. Option C. Road construction with blasting. Option D. Rock fall barrier ahead. The correct answer is B. Loose rocks or debris may be on the road ahead, slow down and watch for rocks. A fallen rocks sign warns that rocks may be on or fall onto the road, common on California's mountain highways and along Highway 1. Slow down, scan the road ahead, and do not stop on the road if rocks are present. In California, what does driving under the influence include? Option A. Only alcohol at 0.08% BAC or above. Option B. Alcohol over the legal limit and any drug legal or illegal that impairs your ability to drive. Option C. Only illegal narcotics. Option D. Only prescription medications are covered. The correct answer is B. Alcohol over the legal limit and any drug legal or illegal that impairs your ability to drive. California DUI law covers impairment from any substance, alcohol, illegal drugs, prescription medications, or over-the-counter drugs. If any substance impairs your ability to drive, you can be arrested for DUI regardless of what it is. What is California's penalty for texting while driving as a first offense? Option A. A written warning only. Option B. A base fine of $20, but with court fees and penalties the total is typically $150 or more. Option C. A $500 fine and 3 points. Option D. License suspension for 30 days. The correct answer is B. A base fine of $20, but with court fees and penalties the total is typically $150 or more. California's first handheld device use fine is a $20 base fee, but with court penalties and assessments added, the total typically exceeds $150. Points are not assessed for a first offense but are for subsequent violations. In California, what does the term laned roadway mean? Option A. A road with lane markings visible only in daylight. Option B. A road divided into clearly marked lanes for traffic. Vehicles must travel within a single lane unless changing. Option C. A road with at least 4 lanes. Option D. A one-way road only. The correct answer is B. A road divided into clearly marked lanes for traffic. Vehicles must travel within a single lane unless changing. A laned roadway is one that is divided into clearly defined lanes. On a laned roadway, you must stay within your lane as much as practicable. Lane changes require signaling and checking for safety. What is the California rule about crossing railroad tracks in a low-clearance vehicle? Option A. No special rule, proceed as normal. Option B. Check clearance before approaching. If your vehicle's ground clearance may be less than the rail height, approach at an angle. Option C. Vehicles under 8 inches clearance are prohibited. Option D. Use alternate routes always. The correct answer is B. Check clearance before approaching. If your vehicle's ground clearance may be less than the rail height, approach at an angle. Very low vehicles, sports cars, some modified vehicles, can bottom out or get stuck on railroad tracks. Approach at a diagonal angle to raise ground clearance. If your vehicle may get stuck, do not cross. Congratulations! You completed all 50 California DMV practice questions for 2026. Subscribe to the USA Driving Test for free practice tests for all 50 states. Good luck on your exam.